क्या?
Okay, hi, hello, welcome everyone. This is Anadi Sharma, and welcome to the Drama Flix first chat show, the Trending Show. Thank you so much for tuning in. The Trending Show is all about a lot of fun, a lot of masala. We are getting all those जो सोशल मीडिया पे अपने काम से, अपने बिजनेस से, अपने टैलेंट से मचा रहे हैं, आग लगा रहे हैं. और आग लगाने से मुझे याद आया, आई हैव माई फर्स्ट टू गेस्ट ऑन द शो, अरुणिमा वाली एंड चिराग रैया. प्लीज फिर से अपने लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाइए, बिकॉज वी एड दैट इन द एसएफएक्स अगेन. All right. Starting with Arunima. Arunima is a singer, composer, musician, performer, and a very talented writer. In the last 1.5, 2 years, I mean, she's been working really hard for very long, but in the last 1.5, 2 years, her work has actually come out really well, and there's the flight has already started to take off, but I know it's going to go places. And we have with us Chirag, a very very talented musician composer, जो again अपने अपने काम से मचा रहे हैं.
And you forgot to add, I'm also financial consultant. मेरा main profession वही है.
Start with you, Arunima. आप कहाँ से हैं and how it all started? I know not the education part of it, but the music part of it. How did you got acquainted to it and how did it all start?
So if you talk about मैं कहाँ से हूँ, so I'm born in Delhi, but I'm a Kashmiri Pandit. So born in Delhi and then brought up in Faridabad. I did my schooling from DPS, and from there is where music started for me in school itself. So I started training in Hindustani vocals when I was in my second class. So that's where it started. Like there was this, I used to go for normal music classes, जो बीच में breaks होते हैं within the school itself. You have those periods जहाँ पे you go for music or dance or any kind of sport. So from there, my music teacher, she found out like, this girl sings well, and she approached my parents also. And from there, I started learning music. Like till my 8th standard, I was being trained in Hindustani vocals. I went for a lot of inter-school competitions, state and the national level. I had even given exams. So I have appeared for I hold a degree, diploma in Hindustani vocals. Wow, and I gave exams for 3 years. Okay. Post that, I left because then the main crucial classes came over, that is 9, 10th, 11, 12. So post my 8th standard,
that's the template story of every artist कि 9, 10, 11, 12 हम छोड़ देते हैं फिर हम वापस बात करते हैं उसमें.
Once I got through my 12th, I got into graduation, then that was the time when I realized it's time to pick up your hobby once again. And I found another music teacher, which me and Chirag like share in common now, because I recommended him to him as well, like my UG to Chirag as well. So then, since then college onwards, that is my graduation, somewhere around 2013 till now, I'm still learning. So that's what it is.
I mean, I was just thinking कि मैं second class में क्या कर रहा था, and I think I was playing cricket, but ठीक है. So I think that's how artists start. But start से याद आया कि Chirag, tell me about you and our viewers. I mean, you are into two very complex things, is what I think. That one is definitely composing music and starting with that, and then you are a UPSC aspirant as well. So how did this start? And I've also learned that you are not a trained musician. You have actually acquired the skills, and you've actually had the transition of learning through on your own. So how's that been, and what's the story like there?
So the thing is, अभी जैसे अरुणिमा बता रही थी ना कि 8th class तक उसने सारा learn किया and everything. So my journey started in 9th class. Okay. When the crucial years started, Yeah. तो जैसे जब तुम छोटे होते हो तो तुम्हारे मतलब तुम I don't know दूसरे बच्चों का, but I used to give some clues and hints to my parents कि ये बंदा इसी लाइन में जाने वाला है. For example, जब मैं छोटा था, like I didn't even know how to walk, but I used to cry and fight for it that I want to play ढोलक. हमारे घर में ढोलक था.
Okay.
So एक ये तो my mom tells me this, so I'm like कि तू शुरू से म्यूजिक के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव है. So anyhow, 9th क्लास में मैंने गिटार लिया था. उससे पहले 7th क्लास में मेरे को ऐसे जोश चढ़ा था कि मेरे को सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लेने हैं. So I was like buying congo, bongo, tabla, piano, and I stopped at guitar.
Yeah.
And गिटार के साथ मेरी म्यूजिक जो जर्नी है वो स्टार्ट हुई.
Okay.
And it was 2009.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद से तो जैसे अरुणिमा ने बोला कि 8th क्लास तक मैंने सीखा है, ठीक है, तो मैंने 9th क्लास से सीखना चालू किया. बट मेरे को ये क्या बोलते हैं, ऑनर बोल लो, कुछ भी बोलो, वो नहीं मिल पाया कि किसी से मैं सीख पाऊँ. सो आई एक्वायर्ड ऑल द नॉलेज ऑल दीज इयर्स, hit and trial.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been like 13 years that I've been practicing and everything, and I've been learning since then and doing quite good, I guess.
He's one of the most amazing musicians I've come across. Seriously,
Yeah.
I feel grateful that somewhere we connected and I've got to learn so much from him. Especially that he has acquired all the skills on his own. Like I got trained under people, and that's how it started for me. But he has done it all by himself, which is commendable.
On to that, Arunima, you have been, your work has been really getting appreciated a lot. And आपकी बहुत सारे social media posts and reels हैं जो काफी अच्छे numbers touch कर जाते हैं. So this is that segment where we bring in your social media and we want to know the story behind that particular post और उसमें क्या हुआ था. So I have this one reel which has actually 445K and it's actually a blooper reel. It's not even your singing reel. I'll just show it to all our viewers. I mean, कैसे कहें क्या है सितम ना जा पल भर हवा की झोंकियां. So यहाँ पे we can see Arunima actually struggling to record things and it has actually bounced 445K. So what was, I mean, were you expecting that at all? Ki this is going to be your highest viewed video on Instagram?
No, this was not what I expected. I did better stuff, and this was something totally unexpected. And actually, this reel didn't go viral ekdam se. Yeah, it touched these numbers ekdam se. It happened gradually. So initially, when I posted it, I did it in a fun way. Like I was doing a lot of, I was very consistent at that time, to be very honest, because office में थोड़ा workload कम था. So this is last year.
It was the Corona time, na, I guess.
Yeah, it was 2020.
It was the first wave के बाद. Even I remember this.
First wave के बाद वाला time. So at that time, I was lucky enough that whatever I was posting also, it was getting a good reach. But then I thought that let's post something which is interesting, like what actually goes behind doing what I do. But there's one more thing that I want to add on. When you're a vocalist, recording vocals becomes a task when if you're doing it in summers and that too Delhi mein. Or even if you take a place like Bombay, which is so humid, because when you're doing it at home, there's no soundproofing or anything. So you can't even switch on your fans. You can't switch on your AC.
Oh yeah,
and then when you're recording, you have to give like 3-4 takes mein nahi hua till the time the entire mood of the song goes away because you're dripping with sweat.
Sweating.
It is so bad.
मेरा headphone खराब हो गया इस चक्कर में because of the sweat and everything.
I love this time right now that we have winters over here. There are no fans. I don't need them and I can record aram se. So that's another struggle of recording.
Okay, and now coming to you, Chirag, I think you have a fairly new Instagram account, or you think you revised one, because मैं जब आपका scroll कर रहा था, तो I was trying to find something. But I found something very interesting is a childhood picture of yours that you have posted.
It is the last day of my school in 2020.
And last day of school is the caption. I mean, उस time पे भी आप काफी मजा रहे थे गिटार के साथ, and the look is deadly यार. जो आप looking in the camera and
all. So I have been, the जो say popular kids of the school since class 9. I was the first of the time of जो generation होती है जो गिटार उठा रहे हैं and you know getting popular and everything, the first of all people.
Yeah.
So I was the rock star of the school. Not just me, the whole band, all the 5 people we were.
Yeah, no, I'm sure. And also, आप थोड़े workout enthusiast भी हैं, so I think I saw something like this also on your page.
Yeah, right now it's not happening, but otherwise I was a very, you know, big gym freak. अभी तो कोरोना के चक्कर में I have gained like 20-25 kgs right now.
ठीक है, but
So I have 2 gulab jamuns here. Yeah.
20-25. ऐसा मुझे लगा नहीं, but now it seems like a big number. 20-25 kgs.
Moving on to our next segment, guys. This is the famous segment, which is called the rapid fire of the trending show. We're still thinking of the slide that's going to come right now. So, and we are going to start with ladies first. So, the rapid round starts with you, Arunima. So, are you ready? Are you like all set up?
Yes, I'm ready. Bring it on.
So, starting with one song that you can't get over recently.
Recently, it's the name of the song is Tere Jaisa. I'm listening it to every day. It's from a Netflix series, Kota Factory. It's sung by Kamal Khanna. I love that song. It's my latest reel as well.
Okay, who's a mainstream overrated singer according to you? A singer who's overrated.
Singer who is overrated? I feel Tony Kakkad. I don't.
Okay.
So can I interrupt in that?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So I just want to clear that although ऐसा सबको लगता है, and it is also the case that Tony Kakkad is overrated, but as much as I have heard him, वो जिस तरीके का म्यूजिक बनाता है, that is why एक ऐसा notion है Tony Kakkad को लेके. Otherwise he's a very fine singer.
He's a very fine singer.
Yeah.
But now that with the kind of compositions he's coming up with,
I overall lyrics a bit.
Feel find him overrated as a package. If it's a singer, then I overrated. Yeah, I think Dhwani Bhanushali for that matter. If I have to say somebody,
Okay.
I can second that.
Yeah.
Cool. Moving on. All-time favorite musician.
All-time favorite musician. I like Pritam and A.R. Rahman the most. They are like my favorite all-time.
All right. A social media trend that you followed or you loved recently?
Like I did not do anyone, but I really liked this one. Which was this one that everybody was doing? The one I liked this one. I didn't.
Yeah.
The stay song.
Yeah.
Stay song was something that I really like. I keep doing it wherever I go. Whenever I listen to the song, I'm like I start with this.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. One composer you would love to sing for?
See, that's totally unrealistic for now, but yeah, I love A.R. Rahman and Pritam. Again, I would say the same names. I love both of them.
All right, okay. And one actor you would love to play back for?
One actor. This is going to be like a female one, right?
Yeah.
So, then I'll take actor and actress though. I love Ranveer Singh. So if I could get a song where he is in, I would love to do that. And if it is to be an actress, then I don't have favorites in actress, but I like Kriti Sanon. I like her, probably her.
All right. Now moving to the question is for you, Arunima, but about our other guest. What's Chirag's most irritating habit that you have experienced while you guys were working in the last 2-3 years?
Irritating habit. Chirag has always been so good. I don't know what to say is irritating. He has always been, I think it should be vice versa. What is the most irritating thing about me when I work with him? Because when it comes to work, he's very serious, he's very particular, and he is very systematic.
So my next one is follow up for this only, that if you have to put a matrimonial ad for Chirag and you would have to place it, what would it go for?
Matrimonial. See, I think he's a very serious and a committed person.
The matrimonial, I would say, good feedback.
so good feedback is like, you can say it's good communication, and communication is very important.
He's very sensitive. He's very emotional. He is very devoted. I'm like bringing them together now that you can make sense why I'm saying that.
Okay.
These are the things that I would say. Yeah.
So you have some keywords, Chirag. I mean,
Yeah, these are the keywords. I can't draft a matrimonial. That let them people who put that up. They'll do
okay.
it for us.
So which is the most used app in your phone and why?
The most used app is Instagram. And
Uh,
I don't think I have to give a reason for that. It's the most used app on my phone because I have to see it again and again.
Okay, now two very interesting questions. So if you've been given an elephant, if you have been given an elephant, you can't give it away or sell it. What would you do with the elephant?
What would I do with the elephant if
Yeah.
I can't? I I don't know what to do, but probably if it's for a day or something, probably I can organize a very good rain dance or rain party and
Rain
use that elephant as a prop because I don't know what to do with the elephant.
Rain dance with an elephant? Wow.
The new business ideas, guys.
Yeah.
You can use their trunk, the way they splash the water. So I thought that maybe we can use
Whoa,
that.
like that.
Yeah.
And that was the idea.
Okay. Okay, just last few. So if you were on an island alone, of course with food and your basic amenities, what would you do throughout the day?
I'm on an island
Alone.
alone. So I really like, first of all, I'm a very beach person, a very water kind of person. So for me, going to that place is, first of all, I might compose something because I like that silence. I like the sound of the water. And for me, that's the perfect place to sit and work on new music.
So
Because that's the kind of thing I really crave for when I have to work on music.
very quickly rate the singers. I have some singers. You just have to rate them.
You asking me to rate singers?
Yeah, so you have, these are mostly independent artists, so you can and groups, not just individual singers. So the local train, Yellow Diary, Shirley Sethia, Pratik Kuhad, Salman Ilahi, and Anuj Jain. Rate them according to your preference.
I'll give first the local train,
Okay.
then Yellow Diary, then who else we have? Then Anuj
Shirley
Jain.
Sethia, Pratik Kuhad, Salman Ilahi, Anuj Jain.
But I don't know Salman Ilahi. That's
Okay.
right. I don't know him. So I won't want to rate somebody whom I don't know. So I'm not rating that person. But then I think after that Pratik Kuhad, after Anuj Jain it's Pratik Kuhad, and last is Shirley Sethia.
All right. And the last one, rate the composers. These are all mainstream composers, but still you can rate them. A.R. Rahman, Amit Trivedi, Pritam, Ilya Raja, Anu Malik, Bappi Lahiri, Shankar Mahadevan.
Okay. I think the first I'll keep Shankar Mahadevan. After that, A.R. Rahman. I want to share A.R. Rahman and Pritam, but I don't know. I think I have kept Shankar Mahadevan because of Bandish Bandits. Okay. Otherwise, he would have been the second one and A.R. Rahman would be on the top. But Shankar Mahadevan, A.R. Rahman, Pritam, I don't know about the rest three. I don't know where to categorize them. So I'll just go by Anu Malik, Ilahi Raja, and Bappi Lahiri. That's
okay. Awesome. Okay, that was a great rapid fire. We can have a round of applause for Arima. Very good. Good job. So your round one is done. Now moving on to Chirag. Are you ready, Chirag, for your rapid fire?
I think so.
Okay, awesome. So let's start. A recent Bollywood song that is your favorite?
Raat Ta Lambiya.
All right. Do you shower at night or in the morning?
I like to shower at night because उसके बाद नींद बहुत अच्छी आती है. But I have to shower in the morning.
Okay.
That's the convention.
Okay. What would you choose? A night out or a night in?
Night out.
All right. One song that you can't get over recently. Again, I think it must be rather long.
Lab Par Aaye.
Acha, Lab Par Aaye. Okay, that's beautiful.
Yeah, from Bandish Bandits again.
Okay. Who according to you is a mainstream overrated singer?
I would again go with the name she took.
Tony Bhai. Okay.
No, not Tony Bhai.
Dhwani Bhanushali.
Miss Bhanushali.
Okay. Dhwani. All right. Your all-time favorite musician?
All-time favorite musician, it's going to be Arijit Singh.
Oh, all right. Okay. Best compliment as a musician that you can remember of?
यार बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो मेरे लिए यही है actually it has not just once or twice, it has like happened so many times. There have been times when I perform and people cry.
Oh, that's amazing. What is the most irritating habit about Arunima?
He should have that answer.
कौन सी वाली बोलूं? That is what
कौन
I'm
सी वाली बोलो, मुझे पता है.
So I am very patient, इसलिए वो मेरे को irritable लगती ही नहीं है.
Okay. So I think this is a very peace out question between both of you. So that's okay. Great. I have to like cut it out. If you have to give one liner for Arunima's matrimonial ad, what would that be?
It's going to help my parents, I guess. Go ahead.
मेरे को सोच लेना चाहिए था कुछ. See,
you had that benefit. तेरे सामने मेरे को भी पूछा यार. You should have made up something in your mind. यार, what?
I thought he's not gonna ask the same question.
Arey, see how spontaneous I was when I got those keywords at least together. You should be that spontaneous.
See, I am thinking of a one-liner. Otherwise, I have a whole table to fill for, you know.
Oh, wow.
What a cover up.
क्या बात है.
Obviously, dude.
ठीक है, but I think I can understand your feelings, so I think I'll move. If you want to give an answer.
No. We are not going ahead. This is not fair. ऐसे तो मेरे भी you are giving him the second person to answer questions वाला advantage.
बोलो भाई, जल्दी बोलो.
Okay. So I'm saying it. So first of all, you know, the people. It's very rare to find people who are, you know, very जो बहुत साफ दिल के होते हैं. You know, they are जो हैं वो हैं. अब चाहे वो यहाँ पे हमारी मीट हो या वो अपने घर में अकेली बैठी हो.
Correct.
So yeah, so that is one thing which is very rare. So जो भी अगर मैट्रिमोनियल के लिए अगर लाइन डालना है, so we can say बड़े साफ दिल की है.
ठीक है, got it यार.
और उसके बाद तो बाकी सारी चीजें तो you can see she is a very good singer, she is very good looking, she, you know.
Sure.
उसके बाद तो तारीफों के पुल बांध ही सकते हैं यार.
ठीक है, done. That's a good one. ठीक है, very quickly situation questions. अरुणिमा को हमने एलिफेंट दिया था, हम आपको टाइगर दे रहे हैं. So if you have a tiger.
क्या ये तुमने ऐसे क्या ये तो बड़ा एलिफेंट और टाइगर ऐसा कोई टाइगर के साथ तो पता नहीं क्या तुम टाइगर को तो तुम दुश्मन पे ही छोड़ दो भाई, खत्म. जिससे बहुत नफरत है छोड़ दो, बस भगाओ उसको उसके पीछे.
What would you do?
I don't know. I would go on, you know, detective missions with it.
मतलब डिटेक्टिव ने सीधा बंदे को ढूंढा और बोला now you are over, we are not even putting you into custody, you are this is end game. टाइगर लेके चलेंगे सीधा.
Very quickly rate the singers, the same artist that was given to Arunima. The Local Train, Yellow Diary, Shirley Sethi, Prateek Kuhad, Salman Ilahi.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll go first with the Yellow Diary and the Local Train, and then Prateek Kuhad, and what were the other names?
Anuv Jain, Shirley Sethi, Salman
Ilahi. Yeah, so Anuv, तो इसी सीक्वेंस में. Because वो सलमान जो है वो मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. And
ठीक है. Okay, awesome. Rate the composers: A.R. Rahman, Amit Trivedi, Pritam, Ilayaraja, Anu Malik, Bhakti Lahiri, and Shankar Mahadevan.
I didn't rate Amit Trivedi only. Shit.
Yeah. So देखो talent wise तो I cannot rate. I am just learning from them.
बोलो भाई.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, but still, see. Yeah, but मैं अपने favorites के हिसाब से बोल सकता हूँ कि मेरे को कौन पसंद है. So I love Amit Trivedi's music, most of all. फिर उसके बाद शंकर महादेवन जी हो गए ना. Okay, Amit Trivedi, Pritam, Shankar Mahadevan, A.R. Rahman, and then rest of the people.
Okay, awesome. That was a very good rapid fire, very entertaining rapid fire, Chirag. जोरदार तालियां. Great. Now
yeah, I'm shivering right now. It's very cold.
Now,
I thought you were nervous. That's why you're shivering. Now, what is going to come next?
Okay, now very quickly, we are going to never have I ever on social media. First one, never have I ever flirted with someone on DM.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Chirag is done. Arunima?
No, yeah.
Oh,
I've never done that on DMs.
okay. Never have I ever
Okay.
posted content because of an obligation. Maybe you didn't like it, but you still had to do it.
Nope.
Yes, yes, I've done that.
Okay, okay. Never have I ever posted while I'm drunk.
Nope.
No, I've done that. Like not posting a story
Not yet.
probably. A story and then removed it. Not on this social handle, but probably my personal handle. I have done that, so I have done that.
Okay. Never have I ever stalked someone who's a fan or a follower or who's giving some good compliments.
Stopped or
Stalked, stalked.
Stalked.
stopped.
Yeah.
So yeah, मैंने तो नहीं किया.
I won't say a
Not
stalk.
yet.
I go and check out their profile, who the person is, but it's not like stalking. It's like genuine
Yeah, it's not
curiosity.
stalking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
उनकी
Never
profile.
done
Yeah.
that.
See.
Until they turn out to be really good, that is a separate thing.
All right. Okay, that was a small round. Now moving on to our
बड़ा झूठा था यार.
2.5. I have some English lyrics of the Hindi songs. So whoever
Okay.
guesses it first gets the point.
Garu, he is going to win. I know it.
Okay. Okay. The first one. Listen carefully. Sister, your brother-in-law is a fanatic. Oh Lord, throws seeds for girls. This is his old profession. Oh Lord, throws seeds for girls.
क्या?
फिर से सुनो. The first three words is the answer. Sister.
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना
Hey.
है. How could you
Oh,
तो डाले
रिद्धि बैठी है क्या साइड में?
नहीं नहीं.
Oh goodness. सही है यार.
I just
1-0. Good one, Arnav. Good one. Second one. Just taste the juice of my love, oh buttery, oh buttery. Don't steal eyes like that, oh buttery, oh buttery.
kiss of love. Is it like that?
No.
Just taste the.
Just taste the juice of my love, oh buttery, oh buttery. Don't steal eyes like that, oh buttery, oh buttery.
मेरे
क्या
इश्क का रस.
हाँ.
Something.
Say. You're almost there. मेरे.
5 minutes later.
Oh, buttery का हिंदी में
Buttery is like मक्खन in Hindi.
मेरे प्यार का रस जरा
ऐसे
चखना.
नहीं चखना.
Oh मक्खना. Oh goodness.
Oh my god. कोई और होता ना, they would have guessed it. You're so pathetic.
यार मुझे यार अनादि प्रैक्टिस करवानी चाहिए थी यार पहले.
कोई बात नहीं यार. ठीक है. Dear, lighten your cigarette with your liver. Your liver has so much fire.
बीड़ी जलाई ले.
Yeah.
जिगर
Oh
से
goodness.
पिया.
जिगर से
जिगर
पिया.
में बड़ी आग है.
यार how is जिगर and liver?
सिगरेट क्या होती है भाई? बीड़ी जलाई ले.
So I have officially lost this round. I can see.
Stick my photo to your chest with super glue.
फोटो फेविकॉल से.
Photo यार.
मेरी
मेरे
फोटो सीने
यार सीने तो यार.
से ये फेविकॉल.
यार वैसे
Okay,
भी.
Arunama is leading Chirag. You have to buck up. Okay, you have to buck up.
Yeah.
You have 5 songs. उनके बस hook step करने. ठीक है, सिर्फ hook step बैठे बैठे, खड़े होके नहीं.
यार तुम सिंगर्स को डांसर वाले काम बता रहे हो.
बैठे बैठे करने बहुत इजी है. जिसने पहले किया उसको पॉइंट है. चिराग, this is your chance to redeem. ठीक है, ध्यान से. Are you ready? First song, धूम मचा ले.
धूम मचा ले. That is the step, no? I was my first one.
This is not धूम मचा ले. This is like.
But he's like, yeah, वो
let's
कैसे ही
go,
बोल रहे थे.
ये
Pelvic
कल
वाला
होना
exercise
कल
he
होना
does
हो
it
का
with the
गाना है
caution
उसका. this is कल होना हो का गाना है.
Yeah, but what do I do? He's totally split
this is
and-
धूम मचा ले.
ठीक है.
No.
I'll take care of it. Look, moving on. सौदा खरा खरा.
सौदा खरा. Like this
Yeah,
starts
I
like
didn't
this.
know this.
I know this.
Okay, ठीक है. This the third one is very easy. जो पहले सुन लेगा वही वो कर देगा. मतलब मेरे फर्स्ट वर्ड पे स्टेप आ जाएगा आपके दिमाग में. बदतमीज दिल.
बदतमीज दिल. एक तो आया मेरे को. I did it first.
This should be a tie. I was also.
Yeah, that's a tie. कोई बात नहीं. छैया छैया.
Chale chaiya chaiya, something like that. I don't know. But it should be like this. I don't know.
Yeah, it's like this, I guess. I don't
This
know.
is also a step and this is also a step, Chirag. So again,
So-
Half
Tie, it's
points.
a tie.
yeah,
Yeah.
again. Okay, last one. Hookah bar.
Pyar, 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 hookah bar. Like this
I
is
did.
the one. No, I was first. Come on, I did it. Then you started following me.
Yeah.
I was
No,
the
I
one.
didn't follow you. मेरे को याद था.
You did it late, na? That is the game. You have to be fast. You are not quick.
But great sport, guys. Okay, and we are here on the finals part of this game. इस गेम में आपको आपकी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ भी लगने वाली है. ओके, गेम इज वेरी इजी. मैं आपको 4 सेट्स ऑफ चीजें बोलने वाला हूँ, एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक. हर सेट में 2 या 3 चीजें साथ में हैं. So as soon as I say, you have to get those 3 things in front of the camera.
Okay.
ठीक है. For example, if I say get me powder, so you get powder का डब्बा in front of you, but I have 3 sets. In every set there are 3 things. ठीक है, तो तीनों चीज लेके आनी है और जो पहले लेके आएगा of course वो जीतेगा.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
Cool.
रेडी?
यार ऐसी चीजें मत बोलना. I'm on my first floor of my house. पता चला नीचे जाके लेने आए. ये तो जीत जाएगा यार ये.
काफी इजी चीजें हैं. ठीक है, रेडी?
Please avoid crockeries. I'm saying please avoid crockeries. It's very difficult for me to get that on time.
Okay, your first is a comb, toothpaste and earphones.
Earphones.
Okay.
Few moments later.
I have it.
Oh, why? Arunama is not here yet. He's here.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da.
यार ये इसने सब कुछ पहले ही रखा था. मेरे पास नहीं है.
A sanitizer, a hand wash and a nail cutter.
Okay.
3 days later.
Oh.
You should consider कि मेरा घर भी तो है यार. He has things really. This is not a fair round. You should do it like the people have the same kind of house. You can't do this.
ठीक है, लास्ट वाला है. ठीक है, फेविकॉल, a t-shirt and shades, goggles और चश्मे. फेविकॉल
नहीं है बस. उसके पास ना हो.
लेके आओ, बाकी तो लेके आओ.
1 eternity later.
भाई चिराग.
I hate you guys.
भाई चिराग ने वन साइडेड रिटेंशन लिया है भाई पूरे शो.
ये गलत है. ये राउंड ही गलत है.
No, but please, we'll also add a SFX here, but please अपने लिए एक बार ताली बजाएं because you guys have done an amazing job. बहुत ही बढ़िया.
भाई 2 साल बाद रनिंग की है इतनी मैंने.
So the scores are as such that Arunima has won 3-1. It was such an amazing experience, guys. I'm so happy that I called you both on the first episode of the Trending Show. You both have your singles coming in, if I'm not wrong. Chirag, you have your singles coming in. Arunima, you
also. So after this meet of ours, I'll start working on it, and within like 1.5 months it'll be out.
Okay. And Arunima, your okay, sorry.
Mine, actually, I had 2 singles coming up in this year itself, but due to some problem with the throat and the jaw, I could not. So they are already there. Like we have been midway. Chirag is working on one of them. Someone else is working on the other one. It's midway, and hopefully it will come in the beginning of next year.
Okay, awesome. I wish you both all the luck in the world, because I know as a matter of fact that I think we all are starting with our journeys, and I'm pretty sure कि आज ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, बट एक दिन कॉफी विद करण पे भी जाके करेंगे. No doubt there.
Hopefully.
Just a closing note. Thank you so much, Arunima, for your.
Thank you for having us. Thank you so much for having us. I really had a fun time. Like this was so well planned and so well structured. The questions were interesting. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah.
Trust me.
And thank you so much, Arunima. Thank you so much, Chirag. And thank you everyone for turning in and watching this show. If you guys are not following Arunima or you're not following Chirag, please go on their Instagram handle. We are putting that in on our description below. And also follow them, subscribe them, and like their content, share their content, because you might not know, but your one like and one share means a lot to artists like us, and that will make us reach somewhere. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next show. Thank you guys. Tada.
So hi, this is Arunima Wali, and
Hi everyone, this is Chirag Dahiya.
please go like, share and subscribe the Drama Flick